here's another exercise that addresses the question of hand independence, but specifically different dynamics in each hand. So when we talk about hand independence, we can talk about articulation and things like that, different articulations in each hand, but also a question that comes up very often and a very important question to piano repertoire is different dynamics in each hand. Often what that means is a louder dynamic in the right hand and a softer dynamic in the left hand. The reason is so much piano repertoire has the melody in the right hand, the expressive lyrical part in the right hand that is imitating a singer or a solo instrument. And then the left hand often provides the accompaniment, the harmonic background, the harmonic support, whether that's in Alberti bass or an arpeggio figure or a chord figure. There are all these different types of left hand accompaniment. The idea, though, is how to develop that ability to play one hand louder and the other hand softer. Now, there are a few exercises that you can do. Again, this really applies to any skill level. So let's first start by doing a 5-finger pattern in C major. So the 5-finger pattern, we're going to do hands together. And the idea here is to start off by playing both hands at the same dynamic level. So let's say mezzo forte. Now we want to play the right hand forte and the left hand piano. So you can play the right hand forte, feel that, and then try to play the left hand piano. And recognize that these are different sensations. The sensation in the right hand should be one where you feel like you're releasing the weight of your arm. You're articulating, you're getting a lot of key speed because of both the weight and the articulation, and so the sound is loud. The left hand, on the other hand, is going to be much softer, and so you want to be close to the keys, so you don't have too much articulation, and you want a feeling of weightlessness. So this sensation that you're developing, you listen to the sound, you think, okay, is it soft? Is that what I'm looking for? You try to associate a sensation and you try to remember what that sensation is so that you can reproduce it. Now, you have to try to do both simultaneously. So right hand loud, left hand soft, right hand with weight, fast attack, left hand weightless with a slow attack. Now try to switch left hand fast attack with weight, right hand suspended, soft and slow attack. Now switch back. So this is a very straightforward exercise, but that will really help you develop that difference of sensation, difference of feeling in each hand. Another similar exercise that you can do is with a chord in your left hand, for example, a C major chord. You can practice playing this nice and soft. Again, the same idea of staying close to the keys, slow key speed, weightless feeling. And then in the right hand, you could play, for example, that 5-finger pattern. Play an arpeggiated figure, or any version of that, trying to just develop this projected lyrical sound in the right hand and soft supportive sound in the left hand.